Redneck Yacht Club.
A special place we love, but just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, or your Evan Root. Fired up, meet us out at Party Cove. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Trailer park, anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side to side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. Bermuda's flip-flops and a tank top tan. He popped his first top at 10 a.m. He's our president. We're checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in the 15 SPF. It's hot, everybody's jumping in. Later on when the sun goes down, we'll pull out the jar and that old guitar and pass them around.
Nice job, guys. Girl from the party.
Real quick.
Wait. Hey, settle down.
Sorry, please don't start clanging your forks.
Excuse.
There we go.
Mike, real quick. Can I tell a story real quick? Real quick.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, I once saw this bug swimming in my drink, and when I asked him what he was doing there, he said he was floating and doing the backstroke. Well, you guys are like the fly in my drink, and you are swimming through the majesty of life.
Bane.
I know it's a habit in country music to have multiple redundancies on acoustic guitars, even though they play the same 3 chords. But this is a lip sync in which we try to emulate the music. There was a banjo, a violin, and a steel guitar, and I saw none of that, so.
He has a point. Taylor.
Well, I thought that you played guitar really well, just like me.
I think that's a compliment. Give it up for your focused missionaries, guys.